Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly do me one favor. Kindly support my channel. Click on the subscribe button below and also like this video. Please, so that you cannot miss any updates from our side. Okay? Alright, so thank you so much and let's begin. In this class, we are going to show you how to overcome this problem here. There is a problem with your office license. As you can remember, those who are following my videos, I have already recorded a video such as this, but due to some regular updates from Microsoft side, the way that we are using to do it was identified, and that particular backdoor was blocked. So that way can no longer work. Okay, and now this is the new way that will work completely for you. Okay, so keenly follow this video to understand all the steps that I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, there's a problem with your office license. You may be a victim of software counterfeiting. Okay, so let me just close it and open a new document. As you can see, the problem is still here. This warning here. Okay, this warning always come when you are using unlicensed product from the Microsoft. Okay, if you don't buy product from the Microsoft, let's say you've downloaded from other websites for free. Okay, when you try to use that software, Microsoft will realize that there are some people using unlicensed softwares. Okay, and now this error will come. Okay, alright, so let me show you a way that you will completely remove this error. Follow this video completely. Let me close the Word document. Then the first step, open command prompt, CMD, then run as administrator. Okay, the first thing that you must do is to ensure that you have internet access, because whatever we are gonna run here will take some resources from the internet. So if you don't have internet access, it won't work. So wait until you have access to the internet, then carry on with this process. Alright, we are gonna run some codes here, and these codes, I have them on my notepad. Let me just show you. There are 3 lines. Okay, so let me just read it for you. If you still get the yellow box, all you need to do is to follow the below steps. Open CMD with selection admin access. This is done. Okay, then you type this command on the CMD and you hit enter. Then secondly, you type this one and hit enter. Okay, then the explanation comes. A dialog box will appear to downgrade the office, okay, to this one. That error normally happens because your office is updated. Okay, so you need to downgrade it and disable updates, meaning the error will completely disappear. It won't come again. Whenever you've downgraded it and disabled updates, you will never see that error again. Okay, just till it completes all the necessary application of changes. Launch any application like Word, this one. Select account from left pane on the right side and office updates, then disable the updates. Pretty much simple. So I'll copy the first code. So I will copy the first line of code command. I've copied it. Then to CMD, you paste and you hit enter. Okay, alright, then you come back to notepad again. Don't worry about this one. I will leave them on the description part of the video or the first comment. If you don't find them on the description part of the video, kindly check the first comment. Thank you so much, guys. You copy all this and you paste here now and you hit enter. Okay, just wait, something will happen. As you can see, a dialog box has come for the downgrade, checking for downloading office updates. Give it time, guys. It will take some 10 to 20 minutes because it depends on the strength of your internet. If you have strong internet access, it will be faster, but if it's slow, you'll have to wait some time. So I will have to wait it until it's downloaded, then we proceed to the next step. As you can see guys, it's now updating, applying updates. Okay, so we will wait until it's done so that we can proceed to the next step. Okay, okay guys, so it's done. As you can see, the dialog box just disappeared, meaning the office is successfully downgraded. So let's go to the next step. Exit. Okay, so the next step is this one. We open a new office product, then under accounts we disable the updates. So I'll open Word again. You will see the error is no longer there. Word, the error is no longer there. As you can see, now that prompt problem is not here. Okay, the problem is no longer here. It was displaying above here, now it's not here. So last step, just click where it's written accounts, then here on the updates you have to disable updates. Okay, click here and disable updates. Okay, now you will never get that error again because you've disabled updates. That error normally comes when you update your product. Okay, alright guys, so I believe this video will help you so much. Suppose you like this video guys, don't log out before you subscribe to our channel, like our video and drop a comment below so that I can know what you're thinking. Suppose you have any problem guys, let me know in the comment section. Bye and see you again next class.